Today I'll be installing this LCD display that sits in the rear of the middle console. It allows the backseat passengers to control and adjust the AC, browse the internet, play music, videos, games, amongst other features. It also has USB-C ports to charge your mobile device or connect the game controller. All right, let's get started. All right, so we need to remove this back piece where the display will sit. Got a prying tool, plastic prying tool. Just get around this edge to pop this out. There you go. There's the cable here. That's it. We have this loop connection that we just need to plug into this wire that we just unplugged. We can just tuck this in here. Not right under where the screen's gonna go. We gotta pry this open to make a connection. Okay, so now you get this 25 pin connector. You plug one end to this side, then the other end over here. And so after collecting the cable, you just run the cable around the side of the passenger seat. Right, and let's come under here and over to this side. I mean, we can titty it up once we connect it, but basically you just go around it, and then we'll have to connect it in here. So there's a connector right there that we'll need to pull out, and we'll plug that guy right in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this with a T20 bit. This is under the seat. You just have to move the seat forward so yeah, you can get to it easily. All right, so now we can just pull this out. Get this wire out. Just run this through here. We'll connect this guy. And then this one will connect to the port that we just disconnected this guy from, which is right here. It's right here. So pins are up. So now we just gotta pass the cable up through the bottom here. It's a little crevice, and I don't know. So this is the connector that's gonna go into the display. Now we get the display. And we just connect it right here. Just pop it back in. Now, of course, we gotta power the vehicle back on. So we had to power it off. Make sure it's in there. Look, it's in there good. And that concludes the installation.